Welcome to the Quick Start tutorial. This video shows you how to convert IFC Provision for voids elements to Revit penetrations with the plugin conVoid. First, open the Revit project named Architectural version 1 under the folder Architectural Sample. After the model is opened, link the Provision for Void IFC file version 1 in your project. You can find the file in the folder Linked Models. Adjust the 3D section box to define the sections where the provision for voids should be converted by conVoid. Click on Convert Void. The first time you start the conVoid plugin, you have to create a profile for the management and approval process of the voids. Accept all messages and restart conVoid. Select the existing void filter named Provision for Voids. Make sure all projects and categories are selected containing the reference and host elements. In this example, the reference elements are generic models and the host elements walls and floors. Now click on the button Settings to adjust the limits for the void creation process. Adopt the settings shown in the window. Click on the Refresh button to start a clash detection between the reference and host elements. The green symbols displays if there are any clashes to create voids. You can change the parameter filter, which filters the reference elements by the parameters and values to a global parameter like face created. Since all other settings are already made, click OK to convert the provision of voids. To get a better overview of the results, link the MEP model version 1 in your Revit project. Switch now to a floor plan and change the detail level to Fine. Click on the button Manage Voids to start the approval process of the penetrations. You can filter the fields of the schedule to display all relevant informations of the voids. You can now approve or reject the voids by selecting one or multiple voids in the active view. Add a color filter to your active view to highlight the status of the voids. Switch back to the 3D view and select all voids with the same host element and continue the approval process. If you want to write a note to communicate an issue, use the message and title box. By clicking on Rejected, both voids change their status. You can export your results in an Excel file to send them the MEP engineer. After the MEP engineer updated his model, you can link the new version in your project. Unload the old version and restart conVoid to update the penetrations. Since all settings are made, you just need to select the new version, start the clash detection and click OK to update the voids. The progress bar displays all detected changes. Start the conVoid manager again and check which changes have been made by the MEP engineer. The change log gives you an overview of all changed parameters. If you are done with the approval process, you can now cut all voids with the host elements. Select the voids in the schedule and click Cut with Host. The Uncut filter displays all voids which haven't been cut yet. You can hide the voids by changing the view settings. Now it's your turn to start your own project with conVoid. Thank you for watching this video.